You know, there aren't many worse feelings than putting on old socks where they're kind of like textured. You guys, fresh socks. I don't know about you guys, but I hook my keys onto my belt loop here. And so when I don't want to use, when my hands are full, right? Like I have like a bunch of stuff in my hands and I don't want to like feel around blindly or like look in an awkward way to check if I have my keys on. I just do a little key dance and find out. So today is day 1 of my little juice cleanse. So I'm excited to start in on smooth cashew for breakfast and pineapple pleaser. Let's try the first juice out. It's the cashew. I'm gonna start with the cashew one. It's got cashew, vanilla, agave, sea salt, and cinnamon. So let's give that a shot. It's almost like eggnog, but like really terrible eggnog. So I'm popping into work to film some B-roll of the golf course in autumn. I figure it's a good way to just get some stuff in my pocket to use to make better footage for them, and a good way for me to get some money. And this is what I do most of the time. Just filming things so I can put it into the videos they put up. Just so it's not like your run-of-the-mill, you know, garbagey web content from corporations. It's weird, right? The golf season's over and yet I still see a plethora of old white men out here golfing. Guys, it's 8-0. You don't have to write T. Idiots. That does it for filming, but now I'm gonna head back to my place, grab a couple juicies, and then head over to my dad's for dinner to watch people eat while I drink juice. So, see you there. And we're here at my dad's house. So I'm gonna pop in and sit in with them for dinner, but I'm going to be drinking the green juice. Hi, Ella. Hi.
Hello.
I'm filming.
How are you?
Mi familia.
Are you really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, mala combinata. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao. Come here.
Hey,
Hey?
what you doing? Don't take movies.
I'm filming you.
Stop.
I'm filming my life.
Stop. If they ask permission.
Now I'm recording.
Oh my god, you're such a bitch.
So, we were just hanging out, and then this fucking helicopter flies overhead, like a medevac helicopter, and this is what we're looking at. Could be a drill.
I think it's a drill.
Yeah, because there's no one here.
No, I think it's a drill.
The firefighters are standing back. What's going on?
Somebody was smoking with their oxygen and burnt themselves.
Oh shit.
Wait, what?
Somebody was smoking a cigarette with their oxygen mask on and burnt them. was fucking crazy. Glad I got the shot though. A little bit deaf from the whole noise of the event, but now I'm back off to pursue the rest of the night as I would have normally. So that does it for this vlog, but we also have a very special guest star. Everybody say hello. Hi, John.
Hi.
No, say your catchphrase.
Oh, hi, friend.
Say your fucking catchphrase.